Hi there! In this video we'll look one less powerful method to multiple test loading, and it's called discover. This method finds all the test modules by recursing into subdirectories from the specified start directory and return a test suite object containing them. Now let's call the loader discover method. It takes a few params like name of directory to find the test and pattern which defined what are files we want check or test presence. The next is usually we're using text runner to run text. Now let's check it. Alright, now it has been loaded all tests from test directory. It also includes the test from the sum package subdirectory. And also startdir can be a dotted module name as well as a directory. For example, and now it runs tests only from a specific directory. Okay, let's change the pattern that it will load tests only from modules T2 and T3. Let's check it, and you can see test cases from module T1 was not loaded because its name is not match the pattern. And one last argument is a top-level dir. Usually, all test modules must be importable from the top level of the project. If the start directory is not the top level one, the top level dir argument should be specified separately. As an example, let's change the start dir argument to the sum package and run test again. Now we have got an import error, tell us that current start directory is not importable. So let's set the top level dir argument to test directory and run on code again. Okay, now it works. There is interesting feature: if it's a package is found, the package will be checked for a load test function. If this exists, then it will be called this function to get tests. For example, let's create a load test function in T1 module. This function takes three arguments. The first one is a loader. The second is a tests. And 3.1 is a pattern. And it will return a test suite instance with aggregated test cases. For example, I am going to use load test from test case method to load test method from module 1 second test case, and then return it. Let's run it. So it loaded all tests in directory by pattern, but only one from module T1 as we indicated in load test function. So it's one more feature we can use to control what test we have to load. One more useful thing that you can discover test from command line. Now I'm going the terminal and go to my project dir. Now I can say and woohoo! It's a similarly using discover method from code. Also, we can add verbosity flag to get more information like that. Alright, I hope you recovered all available cases to load tests from program code. So I like to say good job!